come and get it, reindeer.
You have to speak loud, Sydney.
Come and get the reindeer.
Come on, call them again. Maybe
Okay.
they will come.
There's just a little bit left. Make it count.
Spread it more, Sydney.
Okay, take the bag and sprinkle the rest.
Holy.
Okay, that's it. Now we have
Yay!
to...
So cute!
Yay! Good job!
So cute!
Okay, blow them kisses so when they come, they have kisses from you. Come on, hey, turn around. Blow the reindeer kisses so when they come, they have kisses
Maybe
from you.
they-
Mwah, mwah,
I
mwah.
know.
I'll see
I
you
can
later,
put a stone
reindeer.
What kiss
Sydney,
is
like
it?
this. Sydney, like this.
Say, I'm gonna leave cupcakes and milk inside for Santa.
Don't put her in front of the light. She's gonna get blind.
Yay! Hey, now we're gonna go inside, and then we're gonna eat.